There it goes. It's good. It's going. Okay, Lucy. It is February 29th, Leap Day, Leap Year Day.
Leap Year Day.
2012. And what did you learn how to do, Lucy? What did you learn how to do? Yay, Lucy! Can you wave? Good job! Nora, can you go show her how to clap? Someone's chatty. Look at this. Yay! Can you clap for us? Yay, Lucy! You're so proud of yourself. Clap. Good job, Lucy. We love you. Happy Leap Year Day. Yay.